Gadget World for the best technical advice.
In the recent time, we have been seeing a rise in the amount of time people are using their smartphones, and probably that is one of the reasons why the smartphones with a larger battery capacity is selling in higher numbers. Initially, around 2 or 3 years ago, we were seeing batteries of around 3000 mAh capacity. Now we have seen phones with a capacity of 7000 mAh batteries, and we are also looking at multiple ways to charge the phone in a faster way, and that is probably one of the reasons why people have been spending too much on power banks like these days. And Xiaomi is one of the reputed brands when it comes to power banks, and recently Xiaomi has shifted their manufacturing back to India, and which means that you get a Chinese product manufactured in India, which is pretty rare. And what I have with me right now is one of the latest power banks from Xiaomi. It is the Mi Power Bank 3i. It comes with a 10,000 mAh battery. Retails for around 999 rupees. The cover price listed here is 1299, but you will still get it for around 999 rupees. It is a 10,000 mAh battery, and you have MI's 20,000 mAh battery version, which is his bigger brother, which retails for around 1499. So what I have here with me is one of the best selling models, and it is made in India. So without wasting much time, we'll go ahead and unbox it. So if you look at the box itself, it comes with a very decent packaging, and it has listed all the features here. So it is mentioned that it has dual output and input ports. So basically it has two USB-A port, one USB Type-C port, and a micro USB port to it. And it has an advanced 12-layer chip protection, which means that you will be able to plug in your premium devices without the intention of getting it damaged due to some power surge or something. And it also has smart power management, which means that it charges your phone quickly for the first 30 minutes. So let's say if you have a phone with a Qualcomm quick charge support attached to it, it will charge your phone in a quick charge setup for the first 30 minutes. So it will almost take your phone to 50% charge, and then it will slow down the charging process. So that is a smart power management which is inbuilt to this power bank. And on the rear, it has listed all the other specifications. So specifically, mainly it has written that its capacity is 37 watt-hour, and it's a 10,000 mAh battery, and it does 18 watt charging on the devices which it supports. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox it. Let me use the blade to cut this part of it and the top part of it, and let's see what we have inside the box. So on opening the box itself, it comes with another simple, very neat and detailed white packaging inside. And surprisingly, it is full of white, and then we have the power bank itself. So let me open it for the first time. And we have the royal blue color here. So it is a very sleekly designed, very nice looking power bank, and it has listed all the specifications here, the model number and all the other details. So let's just see what else do we have inside this box. Apparently I don't see anything else, no other paperwork inside. We don't see any sort of yes, we do have some paperwork. So it was kind of missing in the first glance. Let me see. Okay, so we have all the information regarding this charging and the product overview and other things, and we don't have a warranty card. But these days you are getting a lot of counterfeit products and fake products from Xiaomi. Not from Xiaomi, but there are other brands selling fake Xiaomi products. That's why they have mentioned about the hologram part. So you will be able to purchase this on the Mi store online or the Mi stores you see at your city. And if you look at the other features, I'm also looking for the okay, this is what we have. This is a power adapter. So let me see if it's a Type-C or a micro USB. So it has come with a micro USB connector, so you can use this for charging this and also for discharging as well. So if you look at the other physical features, it comes with a button which gives you the indication of the battery. Right now it's almost like maybe less than 10% charge. That's why only this particular LED is glowing. So once you charge it, it will show you the entire array of LEDs will glow. And you have two USB-A ports connected to it, a Type-C port and a micro USB adapter connected to it. So this is basically the device itself. and you will be able to charge it using this particular band. And if you want a USB type C connector, you will have to get another additional band. So that is about it, sir. If you are looking for a decent power bank with a good quality, with a reputed manufacturer, I think, and which supports quick charging and 18-watt charging, the Mi Power Bank 3i is a bang for your buck. And this is one of the best models you can get from the market right now. You can get it from the Mi store or from the Mi store online or on the offline stores as well. So that's about it in this episode. We'll be back with more gadgets in the next episode. So till then, bye bye.
Gadget World for the best technical advice.